Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of Tech Express. Today let's talk a little bit more about addresses which are for mail. Now coordinates are for adventure, right? Now Google Maps is precise enough to lead you to an exact park bench or hidden trailhead, but only if you know how to tuck it to the latitude and the longitude. So I'm going to show you exact formatting rules you need to follow, of course, so Google doesn't give you an error. So first of all, you want to formatting the actual coordinates. Now Google Maps accepts three different formats, but decimals degrees is the standard, and it looks like two numbers separated by the actual commas. Let's assume, for example, that we wanted to go all the way up to the United States, and I wanted to focus for Arizona, and I clicked into one specific zone, and you can see that we have here the actual coordinates. So there's a separating comma that you can see directly in here. And basically here, the rule number one is that you will always want to enter the latitude first, which is appearing something like this, right? So the latitude is your north-south position, and the longitude, the east-to-west, is the right zone. So you wanted to use periods for decimals, not commas. You wanted to use a single comma only to separate two numbers. If you use a comma as a decimal point, Google will get lost. So to enter the coordinates into the mobile or into a computer, simply just tap the search bar and paste your actual numbers. Assuming, for example, that I just have a few coordinates and I paste them directly here with the Google search, what's going to happen is that automatically it will be giving me the element that says map 4, and here are my actual current in this case, for example, my coordinates. So I wanted to see if it's exactly the same route, and you can see actually it is. So once the pin is there, just hit the directions to navigate to the exact GPS spot. Like this. For example, I just click directly into my specific spot, and I go for the option that says directions. Just like that, I am now going to be able to check out how to get inside here. So my starting point, for example, let's say that I'm somewhere around here, and it will be telling me how to get started to this point. From this point to the other point. You can focus for close, you can choose best roads, few transfers, less walking, wheelchair accessible, or if you want to prefer train, you can do it so, right? So on a computer, of course, it's even faster, because we just did is just right click into any spot. The first thing we see at the top of the menu is the latitude and the longitude. So I click into them, and then we automatically copy it to my actual clipboard. Right now, a troubleshooting error, just in case you're getting an error, you want to check your ranges. The latitude must be between minus 90 and 90. Longitude must be between minus 180 and 180. So if you're copying from an old GPS, you want to remove the D or the degree symbols, which usually appears directly inside here. So just delete those degree symbols and the decimals for the fastest results. So there you have it, guys. Now you can find anything from a buried treasure to a specific entrance at a massive stadium. So you wanted to see how to use these coordinates to create a custom map, you wanted to watch the other video we have available for how to use the Google Maps for road trips. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you want to see more great tools like this coming from Google Maps specifically. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can all see you next time.